Have you ever noticed how some homes instantly look expensive before you even see the house? The secret is often right at the entrance. A modern front gate is more than just security. It's the first impression of your home. In 2026, luxury homeowners are investing in stylish metal gate designs that combine elegance, privacy, technology, and architectural beauty. From minimalist black steel gates to stunning laser-cut masterpieces and smart automated entrances, today's gate designs are redefining modern home exteriors. In this video, you'll discover more than 45 incredible modern metal main gate designs that can completely transform the appearance of your property. Stay until the end because some of these luxury gate ideas look like they belong in multi-million-dollar mansions. Let's begin. The front gate is no longer just a barrier. Modern gate design has become a major part of exterior architecture. Homeowners today want checkmark better security, checkmark more privacy, checkmark luxury appearance, checkmark smart automation, checkmark long-lasting materials. The biggest trends of 2026 focus on clean lines, premium finishes, geometric patterns, and integrated technology. Let's explore the most beautiful gate styles dominating modern homes this year. Minimalist modern gates. The first trend is minimalist gate design. These gates feature clean horizontal lines, matte black finishes, hidden hardware, simple geometric shapes. The beauty of minimalist gates comes from simplicity. Instead of complicated ornamentation, they rely on proportion, texture, and materials. Matte black aluminum gates are especially popular because they look modern while requiring very little maintenance. Luxury architects love this style because it complements almost any contemporary home. Luxury villa gate designs. Luxury villa gates are becoming larger and more architectural. Features include grand double-door entrances, decorative metal panels, custom laser-cut artwork, premium powder-coated finishes. Many luxury villas now use oversized gates that act as statement pieces. These gates create a dramatic entrance experience while increasing property value and curb appeal. Gold accents are also making a strong comeback in 2026. Combined with matte black metal, they create an ultra-luxury appearance. Section 3. Metal plus wood combination gates. One of the fastest growing trends is combining metal and wood. This design perfectly balances modern sophistication and natural warmth. Popular combinations include black steel with teak wood, aluminum frames with oak panels, walnut wood inserts, horizontal wood slat designs. These gates feel welcoming while still maintaining a premium modern look. Many designers consider this combination timeless because it works with both contemporary and traditional homes. Section 4. Automatic sliding gates. Technology is transforming gate design. Automatic sliding gates are now one of the most requested features in luxury homes. Benefits include remote control access, smartphone operation, enhanced security, smooth opening systems, modern convenience. Many premium homes now integrate gates with complete smart home systems. Imagine arriving home and having your gate open automatically. That level of convenience is becoming standard in 2026 luxury properties. Section 5. Laser-cut designer gates. Laser-cut metal gates are turning entrances into works of art. These gates feature custom geometric patterns, nature-inspired designs, abstract artwork, personalized motifs. During the day, they create beautiful shadows. At night, integrated LED lighting transforms them into stunning architectural features. These designer gates allow homeowners to create a unique identity for their property. No two designs need to be the same. Section 6. Mansion entrance gates. When it comes to ultimate luxury, mansion gates set the standard. These gates often include massive steel structures, decorative lighting, integrated security systems, premium finishes, custom craftsmanship. Many mansion gates combine metal stone columns, LED lighting, and automated access systems. The result is an entrance that feels exclusive, elegant, and highly secure. Top gate design trends of 2026. Let's look at the biggest gate trends dominating 2026. Trend number 1. Matte black finishes. clean, sophisticated, and timeless. Trend number 2. Integrated LED lighting. Beautiful during both day and night. Trend number 3. Smart automation. Convenience and security combined. Trend number 4. Laser-cut architectural patterns. Unique and highly customizable. Trend number 5. Metal and wood combinations. Modern yet warm and inviting. Trend number 6. Minimalist luxury. Simple designs with maximum visual impact. So these were the top modern metal main gate designs for 2026. Whether you prefer minimalist elegance, luxury villa entrances, smart automated systems, or artistic laser-cut masterpieces, there is a design here that can completely transform your home's exterior. Remember, your front gate is the first impression visitors have of your property. A beautiful gate doesn't just improve security. It enhances curb appeal, increases property value, and creates a lasting statement. Which gate design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury home exterior, architecture, and modern design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more luxury home design ideas, door sparkles.